Anxiety is already one of the most common mental health concerns not just in India but in the world today. More and more people are actively seeking help to get over their anxieties. If you are watching this, I am assuming either you are a mental health practitioner who actively comes across clients facing anxiety issues, or you are looking at developing advanced skills to specialize in helping clients overcoming anxiety. For almost a decade, mental health practitioners at iChars have worked with and helped a large number of people deal with different types of anxieties. With time, we have been able to identify a structured process that can be applied effectively with clients to help them get over their anxiety. We know that asking clients to calm down or to relax only makes them more anxious, and techniques like distracting themselves or observing what's around them or even trying to think positive is only a temporary fix. Even when these techniques work, they don't really provide a long-term solution. Do you know why does this happen? It happens because anxiety is more of an automatic unconscious response. While controlling it consciously is possible, but the more effective way would be to work with anxiety and its causes at an unconscious level. So that while you help clients develop mindfulness and conscious control over their feelings, you also help their unconscious naturally learn to respond calmly and effectively. And this is exactly what we at iChars specialize in. Whether you work with clients who have a free-floating anxiety or generalized anxiety, whether the anxiety is triggered by specific people or specific situations, or that the anxiety is about the future, learning the structured process that we follow can help your clients manage that naturally and effectively. The amazing thing about the structured process that we follow is that it can even be safely applied and used with clients when you are taking counseling sessions online. This makes the process extremely useful not just during the lockdown phase, but even in the post-lockdown phase. Imagine being able to help clients deal with their anxiety quickly and effectively while being able to work from the comfort of your home, saving heavy initial investment on clinic space, which you would have had to make if you were limited by working with clients in a physical setup. So, if you are a mental health practitioner who wishes to specialize in anxiety counseling and make an emotional and financially fulfilling career, then this course is for you. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and enroll now. In case you still have some questions, book a free call with our trainers to get your answers.